Hello fellow programmers, in this video we're going to look at iterators. So let's first create a variable. The first iterator we're going to talk about is the while statement. So for instance we can say while my var is less than 100, my var plus equals 1, and puts my var. So it prints every single number. There's also the until operator. The difference between while and until should be quite obvious. Until my var equals 100 puts my var and my var plus equals 1. Let's create an array. And now to iterate through this array, we just call myArray.each and then do, and in pipe symbols put what you want to call each element. You can also do this with hashes. And here you can put the key and the value. Instead of writing this iteration with do and end, you can also write it like this. If you found this video useful, give a like. If you didn't find it useful, give a dislike. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button if you want to see more videos. And see you in the next video.